everyone, I'm here for Fiiber and today I am at the Vivo Tech Day event where the star of the show is this smartphone. This is the Vivo X Fold and I'm very much hyped and pumped to check out this smartphone in person. So at the Tech Day event we saw a bunch of innovations from the house of Vivo. We talked about the design, we also got to know about the Make in India campaign, the Geo Cloud Gaming, and we also got to know about Zeiss T-Star coding. So all of that was great stuff, but this is the best of the lot. This is the Vivo X Fold smartphone, and the highlight of the smartphone is of course this huge screen. So up close I will show you that there is no crease on the screen. So Vivo has designed the hinge in such a way, first of all the hinge is hidden and they have made it in such a precise manner so that you don't see any visible crease on the screen. Now I don't know how much the camera is able to do justice to this thing, but the crease is barely visible. Plus Vivo has also got the certification from TUV Rhineland for safe folding and unfolding for about 3 lakh times, so that is there on the smartphone. As for the specifications, you get a 120Hz E5 AMOLED screen on the front as well as on the cover screen. So this is an AMOLED panel, E5 AMOLED panel, 120Hz on the inside as well. And apart from that, you get to see the camera. The camera, this is a camera with a Zeiss lenses. Of course, Zeiss has a partnership with Vivo, so you get Zeiss lenses at the back. For the finish, you get a cool leatherite finish. As you can see, it's very premium to the touch. It's very nice. Gives you a good in-hand feel. Also, the grip also comes out as very nice. One more highlight is this small alert slider. Now, this is something that we have seen on OnePlus phones. We have seen it on iPhones, but this is the first time we are seeing it on Vivo, and I think this is a very great addition that all other manufacturers should also put in their smartphones. But apart from that, this is the main highlight, man. You can't see any space. They have made the hinge in such a manner that there is no space. I mean, Samsung has been doing foldables, they are doing a great job, but if you see the Galaxy Z Fold, Z Fold 4 or the Z Fold 3 or the Z Fold 2, there's always, there's a space in between. But in between the Vivo X Fold, there is no gap in between both the panels, so that is great. But apart from that, I'll quickly show you the camera interface, how the camera looks. So this is how the camera looks. We are in the selfie mode. Imam is there shooting with me. So this is what the viewfinder looks like for the rear camera. Of course, you get a full wide view of everything that's behind the camera. In terms of features, so you get a flex mode like feature on the X Fold where you have the controls at the bottom and the viewfinder at the top. And one more other cool feature is this preview button. So this is how the preview looks like. So this is very cool. Again, this is a feature that we have seen on Samsung smartphones, but it's good that Vivo is innovating and it's taking the good features in mind on its Fold smartphone. Apart from that, this is a Chinese variant, so it comes with Origin OS. So I've had a hands-on session with this smartphone. I saw there's Origin OS up top. So this is not the Indian unit, and we also don't have any information when this phone will launch in the Indian market, but when it does, of course, we will be covering it in depth on the Fiiber channel. Now what I want from you guys is to make a guess as to what could be the pricing of the Vivo X Fold. Now my guess would be about ₹1 lakh. Now Imam was saying that this phone could be priced around 80-90,000, and if that's the case, then I think this one will sell like hotcakes, because 80-90,000 is the price point of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but this is a full-fledged fold phone, and Vivo has done a brilliant job. First of all, this is so satisfying, guys, like the sound that it makes. So this is the Vivo X Fold in brief. This is what it looks like, the front, the back. We'll be covering it in depth whenever we get our hands on, like we get the device from Vivo. Until then, stay tuned to Fiiber, and I'll catch you all in the very next video. Thank you for watching.